Well, it's that time of year again. The school holidays are upon us, and it's the end of another really busy and exciting year for education here in Wales. Earlier this year, we published our draft curriculum for Wales, the first time in our nation's history that we will have a school curriculum that has been designed by Welsh teachers for Welsh children and young people. And I want to thank everybody that has contributed to the consultation on that draft. We'll be now taking that feedback, reflecting on it, and publishing the final draft in January 2020. Of course, the curriculum will only be successful if our teachers are ready and prepared. And that's why this week I announced an additional inset day to ensure that staff have the time to get ready for these important changes. Of course, a single inset day on its own will not be enough, and that's why we're making it a part of our £24 million worth of investment in a national approach to professional learning, the largest single investment in our teachers' training since devolution began. This year has also seen us celebrate some fantastic achievements in our education reform journey. The end of our 21st Century Schools and Colleges Band A programme, which has seen 170 projects delivered, and the start of our Band B proposals, which will see over £2 billion invested in schools and colleges across Wales. We're also cutting class sizes, supporting rural education, and looking to lower the cost of the school day by bringing down the cost of school uniform and helping more families with our PDG access grant. But I just want to say this, to all those that have worked so hard in our school this year, thank you. Thank you so much for what you do. I hope you have a restful summer, and I look forward to working with you again in September for what I think will be the best year yet.